Python enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel where coding isn't just about writing lines of code, it's about writing lines of code with flair. Today we are going to deep into the world of OOP decorators in Python. I know, decorators sound like something you hang on a Christmas tree. But trust me, they are way cooler than that. These little magic tricks can make your code cleaner and more elegant. So, if you're ready to learn how to decorate your classes in the way that I will make you look like a Python wizard, or at least make your code look like one, hit that like button and let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So, let's start and let's talk about in the Python what are understanding about the OOP decorators. So let's start. In Python, decorators are the functions or classes in decorators, okay, that modify the behavior of another function, method or class. It should be method, function or class, okay. When we use the object-oriented programming in the short form it called the OOP, decorators can add addition functionality to class methods to or manage their behavior dynamically. Now, below are examples of OOP decorators. First, method decorator. What it can do? This first method adds some functionality to a method. This one example here you can see it. Sorry, this one example here you can see it or mean code. Okay, so let's copy this code. Let me open my Visual Studio Code. Let me create a one window and then let me create a one file. And I'm making this file in my documents. Okay, I'm making this file in my document. Anywhere you want, you make this file. It is your own choice. It is depend on you. Anywhere you make your file. Sorry, I'm by the mistake. I'm making the HTML file. Sorry. Let me make a one Python file. Now paste it. Now here we write our code. Here we use the arcs and cave arcs. Here you can see it. Cross. Now here we in the 15 and 69 we do a usage and this all the code you will be copy it. Okay, pause the video and see my all code which I am written down. Okay, see my all code. Okay, I'm giving you only 5 seconds. So you have written down. So let me save it and run it. So now it is giving me the output. Calling method is greet, hello alias, method is greet finish. Why it is giving me calling method is greet? Calling method is greet. It is giving me because it is giving me calling method is greet because I write here greet. Where I write greet, here I write greet. Here you can see it. That's why it is giving me greet. So like that. Or when then it is giving me hello alias. Why it is giving me hello alias? Because I in the name I write alias. So if I write here Rayyan, so then it give me hello Rayyan, not give me the alias. Let me show you. Save run. So here you can see it. Now method greet finish it. Now method greet finish it. Why it is giving me method greet finish it? Because in the fifth line I write method, then I write here my variable or my function name, then I write like finish. Okay, so that's why it is giving me method greet finish. Now number 2, class decorator. Class decorators unmodify or extend. Okay, it also will modify or it will be extend the behavior of a class. Now let me show you the code of it. Okay, there is a one code of it. So let me show you the example of it and let me show you the code. This one code. Okay, let me copy this code and let me paste it. And this is the all the code. This is very few line of code. Okay, here you can see it. Save it and run it. So now it is greetings from a decorator class. Okay, here you can see it is greetings from a decorator class. Why it is giving me this type of output? Because in my print function I have written down the greetings from a decorated class. That's why it is giving me this type of output. So let me minimize it. Number 3, static and class method decorators. Static and class methods can also be decorated. Okay, static and class method can also be decorated. This is one example. Here you can see it. Now save it and run it. So now it is giving me executing static method called executing class method called for class main underscore dot demo. Why does it give me this type of output? Like I have told you here, static and class method can also be decorated. So that's why it is giving me this type of output. The number 4 is come using a decorator for a method access control. Okay, this is one example. In this example, we are using our decorator for a method access control. Here you can see it. So here you can see in the normal.user.delete account, it raised a permission error. Okay, let me show you. Save it and run it. So here you can see it is giving me account deleted. Here you can see it is giving me error. Not it is giving me the error. It is giving me the output. But like I've told you, the normal underscore user dot delete underscore account and rounded bracket, it raises a permission error. Okay, and why does it raises the permission error? Because like I have told you, here the using a decorator for a method access control. Here we are using our decorator for a method access control. Okay, so that's why it is giving account deleted. Okay, these examples demonstrates various ways decorators can be applied in OOP, means object oriented programming scenarios, to enhance or modify functionality dynamically. Let me know if you need further clarification or additional examples. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. And go on to my channel. First of all, go on to my channel, and you all know what is my channel name. And my channel name is Rayyan. I have forget. So let me open my channel. So when I open my channel, we are very near to 4,500 subscribers. So please complete it. And when you come on it here, first of all, you are very loving my videos. Okay, and then come on to the playlist. And when you come on to the playlist, you will come on to the our Python tutorial, Python full course from scratch playlist. And when you come on it, first of all, you click here, and then what you can do here, you will be click here, and we successfully completed many videos. We completed many videos of the Rayyan channel of about the Python, and we completed total we completed a 182 videos of the Python. Our goal is we go on to our 300 or 250 videos of the Python. Okay, this is the goal of us, but let's hit this goal. Okay, but here you can see in today's video I told you about it, and one more thing I have told you. I am in this channel. I am also uploading in 1 week. I am uploading a one big video, not big video like 40 minutes or 50 minutes, like this type of video I am uploading in the week. Okay, so like I'm not sure that tomorrow will become a big video like 40 to 50 minutes. I'm not sure. I'm just saying you. I'm not sure. Okay, but anyways, I'm meeting you next class, and next very amazing class. And now I meet you next class and next very amazing class, and do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe. So now for today, and there you have it folks. That's how you can add some flair to your classes using OOP decorators in Python. I hope you now feel like a decorator pro. If you found this video helpful or just enjoy the ride, be sure to hit that like button or subscribe for more Python fun. Got any question or want to see more cool Python tricks? Drop a comment below and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, happy coding and keep decorating your code.